Let's look at the new agentic features with GitHub Copilot CLI and JetBrains IDEs. After installing the latest release of GitHub Copilot, you can find it on the right side of your screen. Select Copilot CLI under Agent Provider, then switch to Ask mode. Our goal is to figure out how to start an existing Spring AI application. Without any further setup, Copilot already figures out how to start the application from the repository using Maven and Spring Boot. It also detects that we need to set some environment variables, which is really helpful. Let's switch to plan mode. Here we ask how we can deploy the application to Azure. Copilot finds a solution really quickly and creates a plan for us. What we really like here is that if there are multiple options, it doesn't just pick one. It asks what we want to do and also gives a recommendation. So we go with this suggested option, and now our plan is ready. Next, we switch to agent mode and ask Copilot to implement the plan. We could choose a specific model here, but we trust the automatic selection. It's already optimized. Now we see the plan again and we can approve it. Before we had to manage a lot of tokens manually, but now we can just approve the plan and move forward. If we want, we can also check the current quota and usage. During longer conversations, the context window can get quite full. That's where Compact is very helpful to clean things up. Let's also take a look at agent customization. There are different built-in agents, and we can also add our own. We've already prepared a planning agent here. If we want to change how things work, we can edit it in the Copilot settings. We can also check the agent debug logs in the Copilot CLI option. Here we can see exactly what prompts were used and how many tokens were spent, which tools were called, and even which model was selected when using auto mode. For each of the prompts individually. After coding for a while, let's head out for a lunch break. So naturally, we want to switch devices without losing flow. First, enable the feature in the settings. Then just run /remote on, scan the QR code with the phone, and you're ready to go. Now we can literally take this session with us. Whether heading out for lunch or just moving to another device, we have full remote control of the IntelliJ environment right in the pocket. From there, we can keep working from the phone, give it new tasks like translating something into German, and instantly see the results show up back in the IntelliJ session. Just keep in mind, the computer needs to stay on and connected to the network the whole time. And of course, this is all secure. The connection is tied only to the session and the device, and nothing gets shared with anyone else without consent. And that's how GitHub Copilot CLI and JetBrains IDEs lets you stay in flow, no matter where you are.